Hello guys, this is Sanjay here. Today we are going to calculate EBIT and EBITDA. So as we know that EBIT is earning before interest and tax, and EBITDA is earning before interest and tax and depreciation and amortization, right? So let's let us do. So we go by a simple approach. So simple approach, I divided it into two parts. One is revenue approach, another one is gross profit approach. So we go by revenue approach. Just go there is equal to go to revenue because it's a revenue approach minus cost of goods sold, then put comma there, then get salary and rent close bracket, and you will get your EBITDA. So EBITDA is before depreciation and amortization. So when you deduct depreciation and amortization from EBITDA, you will get EBIT. So now we go by EBITDA now. EBIT now. Revenue approach minus bracket cost of goods sold, comma, then minus salary, rent, depreciation and amortization, because we know we are calculating EBIT, earning before interest and tax. Or you have to write some. You will get your 5,000. You wanna use dollar sign, you can dollar sign. So now we go by gross profit approach. So just take gross profit, don't care about revenue and cost of goods, minus sum bracket divided to divided EBIT is equal to, go here, just deduct salary, rent and depreciation and close bracket, you get your 5,000. So now we already seen how we do by revenue approach and how we do by gross profit approach. Now we are going to do with net profit approach. Go there, take net profit. So here you go step back. From revenue and gross profit you are just going forward, but from the net profit you have just a net profit, just go step back. So we got our net profit after deducting all these things. Then we start adding up back, right? So go sum, what you wanna add? EBITDA. Okay, you have to add tax, you have to add interest and depreciation. So you will get your EBITDA 22,000. Then we calculate EBIT. Just go by earning plus sum. So add tax and so you got your 5,000. Is the same, you can reconcile. So I hope you enjoyed this video and definitely learn this quick manner. Next video I'll bring some. Thank you very much.